So today we are going to discuss about some question which ask in NILET exam. Okay, that is the computer science department. Which of the following is not a binary operation in relational algebra? So from this option, which is not perform binary operation? Okay, so the option is join, semi-join, assignment, project and union. So we all know that union, join and semi-join and assignment are binary operator, but project is the unary operator as it work in one relational table, but for union, assignment and semi-join and join we required two table. So the answer is project is not a binary operator as it is a unary operator. Now the next question is is any combination of columns that uniquely identify a row in a table. Okay, so from the given option, which key is used to uniquely identify a row? So we all know that private key is not a key, but foreign key, super key and candidate key are the keys in which is used in relational database. So from the given option, candidate key and foreign key are used to uniquely identify a tuple, but here you can see that there any word is given, so any columns. So super key is the any columns which is uniquely identify a relational table. So the answer is super key. Now next question is which of the following is a type of mechanism where all the previous logs are removed from the system, permanently stored in storage disk. Okay, so which is permanently stored in a storage disk that removed from the system. So which mechanism is used to remove the previous log? Okay, so that is stored in the system. So the answer is the checkpoint. checkpoint is used Basically checkpoint is a type of mechanism where all the previous logs are removed from the system and permanently stored in the storage disk. Okay, so checkpoint is the answer. The attribute of the relation set AR model is called the attribute which we used in a relational model, that is descriptive attributes. Okay, so descriptive attribute, as you can see from a relation, may also have attribute called descriptive attribute. Relationship instance in a given relationship set must be uniquely identified from a particular entity without using descriptive attribute. So the attribute is the descriptive attribute is used to relationship ER model is entity relationship model. Okay, derived attribute and multiple derived attribute is derive the properties from another attributes, and multi-valued attributes are contain a lot of details. Like if we consider the phone number, then in phone number there have a lot of phone number are there, so that is considered as a multi-valued attribute. And descriptive attribute define uh, the entities relationship, and it uniquely identify the relation. Now, next is in HTML, dash attribute is used for merging two or more adjacent column. So we use call span. Okay, call span is used to merging of two or more adjacent column. Like in HTML is a language which is used to create a web page and web application. Okay, HTML is basically a language which help to create a web page or any other web application. There are number of attribute in HTML language, and call span is one of them. Call span is the attribute of HTML language which define the number of columns of a table cell should span. It can be applied to TD or TH. And TD is basically used for table data and TH is basically used for table header. So call span is used to merging two or more adjacent columns. Binary search algorithm can be applied to which of the following? Okay, binary search algorithm is applied in sorted linear array. Okay, it is binary search algorithm not applied in a list or any binary tree. It basically applied in an array. Array is the consecutive elements that is stored the same type of data type. Like if we define a array by using integer keyword, then it's define only the integer variables, not any float or any character. Okay, so in binary search is implemented by an array. So if binary search is implemented on unsorted array, then eliminating half array based on assumption that target element is less than or greater than the middle element. Okay, in binary search we have to find the middle variable, and then we compare the searched element with the other element. Which of the following is used to define an API of thread creation and synchronization? So we use pthread to define an API of thread creation and synchronization. So pthread refers to POSIX standard define an API of thread creation and synchronization. This is a specification of thread behavior, not an implementation. Or here the in option the kernel is given. So kernel is basically the part of the operating system. In operating system we have to divide one the user part and one is the kernel part, and kernel part define the all processor work with the resource management system. Okay, so and processes is the work which is performed, and job is the job defined as the following work. It performs some following work, and batch is the is defined as the it batches the jobs, and it execute in batches manner. Like it combine the more than one process and then it execute. A class that is derived from another class is called a subclass. A, so in C++ there have a features inheritance. So inheritance is the mechanism which used to access the properties of the base class, and it derived from the child class. Okay, so child class can access the property of their parent class. So here the parent class are super class or base class, and the child class are the subclass and derived class. So here in this option, a class that is derived from another class, uh, is the subclass. Okay, so subclass is the derived from the another class. So an subclass is also called extended class, and it reuse the properties of the base class. Which type of following cannot be reason for process termination? So for process termination, if the process are terminated when the memory are unavailable, or any protection error are there, or any invalid instruction are there, then the process are terminated. But it cannot be terminated if spanned by existing process. So the option is spanned by existing process. So process spanning is the mechanism when the OS creates a process at the explicit request of another process. Okay, when explicitly request for another process, that time process spanning are happened. When one process spans another, the former is referred to as child process. Truncate statement in SQL is DDL statement. As DDL is the data definition language statement. It only define it help to define the language, but it cannot manipulate the language. So DDL is used for create or truncate or or drop. So and DML is the select, insert. These are the DML statement. And revoke, grant are the DCS statement. Okay, so here you can see the definition of these DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. Okay, DDL is the used for creation, deletion of the database. It provides a set of statements to create and define the database, modify its structure after it had been created, and destroy it after it is no longer needed. And DML is used for manipulating database. Manipulation means insert, modify, delete, or query data. It enables user to access, manipulate by the appropriate data model. And DCL is the data control language that is used to grant and revoke authorization for the database. And TCL is the transaction control language. It is used to manage the changes made by the DML, and it specifies how the transaction can be started, stopped, how a set of concurrently executing transaction can be managed. So DDL is the truncate is the DDL statement in SQL. Which of the following is are shared by all the thread in a process? So in a process, thread is nothing but it is a light-weighted process. So thread when the process is break in small thread, then is this thread are contain multiple thread of the same process share the other resources of the process concept, register, stack, and stack pointer. But so stack is used shared by all the thread, but program counter, address space, and register are not shared by the thread. So here you can see that in a multi-threaded concept, single threaded concept, so the code, data, file, register are there, and stack are there. So code, data, and files and register is used by the threads, multiple thread of the same process of except register stack and stack pointer in a particular process generally considered to consist of a set thread sharing an address space heap static data code segment and file descriptor. So the answer is stack is shared by all the thread in a process. So a file which contain transit data to be processed in a combination which with a master file is called transaction file. Transaction file is used to contain the transit data to be processed in combination with a master file. So now that the system program that set up an executable code in main memory ready for execution. So the loader is used to set up an executable code in a main memory and ready for execution. So the work of the loader is ready the operating system to execute the some program. You can see that the name is specified that work as load is you can by load is the used to load some program, so you can easily eliminate other option by using this get, whose output is 0 and only when both the input are opposite. Okay, so the question is said that when the both the input are opposite, then the output is 0. So we all know that when both inputs are opposite, then the output is 1 at the time of XOR gate, and if we add a NOT gate with XOR gate, then it is converted into XNOR gate. So the XNOR gate is the answer. Name the web search engine owned by Microsoft. So Bing is the web search engine which is owned by the Microsoft. Bing is the Microsoft, Google Chrome is the Google, Yahoo search by Version Media, and Baidu is the Baidu. A repeater is the has capacity. A repeater has regenerating capacity. An amplifier cannot be discriminate between the intended signal and noise. It amplifies equally everything fed into it. A repeater does not amplify the signal, it regenerates the signal. When the receiver receives a weakened or corrupted signal, it creates a copy bit and for bit and the original strength. So a repeater forward every frame. It has no filtering capacity. Okay, so repeater is used in data link layer. Okay, in OSI model it use a repeater is used in data link layer. Which of the following problem occur when two transactions that access the same database item contain their operation in a way that make the value of same database item correct? So lost update is used. Oh, here data read is the use in concurrent database system that when read when there have a two transition T1 and T2. If T1 performs some read operation and if it does not commit the operation, then if T2 again perform the read operation on the same database, then this database is concept is used. And lost update is basically occur when two transactions that access the same database item contain their operation in a way that makes up the value of some database in item incorrect. So it occur when two transactions that access the same database two two transactions access the same database and contain and their operation in a way that make the value of some database item incorrect, and after lost update perform, so the if the updation is done, that is corrupt the database. So this concept is used in lost update. So which of the following high speed adaptation for linear sequential model Okay, in which rapid development is achieved. Okay, here RAD is used as the full form of RAD is rapid application development. Okay, so from this you can eliminate the other option. Which of the following tag is used to add music video in your web page? So in HTML we used embed is used to insert some music or video into your web page. Which of the following is multi-point connection? Multi-point connection is used in bus topology. Ring topology, star topology and mesh topology are unipoint connection. As you know that ring topology, the ring former exist one node can connect with the previous node or with the following nodes. Okay, so and in star topology there have a hub are there which is connected every node. The hub is connected with the every node, and in mesh topology all nodes are connected with every other nodes. And in bus topology there have a long cable are there, and this cable are connected these cable are connected with the let of with the different nodes, and these nodes are connected use the multi-point connection. um, one long table act as a backbone to link all the devices in the network. But in mesh topology, every device has a dedicated point-to-point link to every other device. And in mesh topology, every device has a dedicated point-to-point link, and in ring topology, each device has dedicated point-to-point connection with only two devices on either side of it. Okay, and in star topology, each device needs only one link and one I/O port for connect to any number of other device. And so our answer is bus topology, which using multi-point connection. Now in dash file allocation system, no dash fragmentation allowed. Okay, in linked file allocation system, no external fragmentation allowed. In external fragmentation is basically used in variable partitioning. This external fragmentation are recovered by the use of compression technique. Okay, so in linked list we there have no external fragmentation. There have internal fragmentation exist in linked list, but there have no external fragmentation. And link allocation is non-contiguous file allocation system, so it does not suffer from external fragmentation. Which of the following function can be used to reduce the function call overhead? Okay, inline function is used to reduce the function call overhead. Okay, and virtual function is basically the used it is act as a abstract class, and it is run in runtime, and friend function is act like a friend. So inline function is our answer. Inline function is a function that is expanded in line. When it is invoked, the compiler replaces the function call with the corresponding function code and does not branch to the function for execution.